4th of April 2024, and I just realized that 2024 is actually 8 and 8. How is life everywhere? Here the birds are singing, the green is just popping out everywhere. Here is Umbria, Italy, central Italy. And it's really feeling as everything is ready to come out, and yet it's not time to come out yet, all of it. Instead, it's time to put everything very delicately together and then prepare for coming out. And so I think it's the second year now, or the third year, maybe since 2022, that there is not a lot that is coming out. Last year I started with writing articles and on quality of life on LinkedIn, and I launched 8 or 9 of them, and then I didn't feel the inspiration anymore, and then I stopped, and then during this winter/spring period, new inspiration came, but it didn't feel like yet ready to share. And so now I know, with all the puzzle pieces of the puzzle that I'm putting together, on how we can live in a more natural cycle, natural rhythm with the seasons, why it's not yet published, all my inspiration of the past months. It's because it's not yet the time to publish. And so it's good that I am more connected with my intuition, that I'm more connected to the natural rhythm, to nature, and that all of it is being prepared, and then when the time is ready, it will be shared. And in the meantime, lots of things are happening. Pieces of the puzzle are becoming visible, and lots of new projects are being born, and all of it is coming together in one big movement. But I can't tell anything more. But it all has to do with one goal. It's really contributing to well-being, quality of life, the art of life, and a harmonic society. So that's my aim of everything that I'm doing, and everything that I'm contributing, and how I'm living, and how I can be an example. And so soon, much more about all of this, but I just wanted to come on and share this message. So happy 4th April of 2024. Prepare yourself, put everything together. So as of beginning of May, you can put all of yourself out there, your big mission, your authentic self, your joy and your inspiration. And in the meantime, just continue everything you love to do, and balance your energy in and out, and So with yourself and with others, and enjoy the rebirthing energy that Easter just gave all of us. And speak to you again soon. Bye bye.